Very good, Udit.
Yes, ma'am, I can understand. I have sent it also.
Yes, Udit, number 4 is correct.
Which of the following shows the common factor of 21.15?
Shuok, number 5 is wrong. Shuok, a few minutes you forwarded me answer. It was correct. Okay, that was Shopter Go. Shuok, number 5 is wrong. Tuhin, number 5 is correct. Debangshu, number 5 is correct. Shuok, see better. Can you divide 15 and 4 without having any remainder?
Just to call third multiplier. Ma'am, 5 is called
Udit, number 5 is wrong. Shuok, number 5 is correct. Very good, Shuok. Okay, Udit, can
Ma'am,
you divide 15 and 2?
ma'am, I got.
Udit, can you divide 15 and 2 without having any remainder? Factors means you have to divide 12 and 15 with such a number that so that you don't have any remainder.
Ma'am, what?
Factors means you have to divide 12 and 15 with such a number so that there is no remainder or the remainder will be 0. Debangshu and Tuhin, both of you, number 7 is correct.
Ma'am, I cannot understand 6 number. I am Shoptargo.
Shoptago, just a second. I'm explaining number 6. Udit, have you understood number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it and send me the answer. Yes, Shoptago, can you read number 6, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Product of third multiple of 4 and 9 is dash.
So, what you need to do, you need to find out which of these numbers, that is among A, B, C, D. If you multiply 4 and 9, whatever the answer is coming, if this among this
Ma'am, I
number,
can all.
wait Debangshu, I'm checking your answers. Whether A, B, C, D can be divided with the product of 4 and 9
Ma'am,
exactly without having any remainder. Is it clear, Shaptagho?
yes, ma'am, but this process is not correct. That 4 third multiple of 4 is 12 and third multiple of 9 is 27. Then product is same, so multiply it.
Do it. See if you get your answers.
No, ma'am, it is not going.
So multiply 4 and 9. What is the answer coming? 4 and 9 if you multiply.
Ma'am, B.
4 into 9 is how much, Shaptagho? 4 into 9 is not 108.
No, sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, the real answer will be B. 36. So into 3 is 108.
Very good. Excellent. Debangshu, number 6 is correct. Tuhin, number 6 is wrong. Excellent, Shaptagro. Very good explanation and your answer is also correct. Tuhin, have you understood number 6 better?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Do it.
Ma'am, my 7 and 8 are correct.
Tuhin, number 7 is correct. 8 I am checking better. Debangshu, number 8 is correct. Tuhin, number 8 is wrong. Yes, number 9 is correct, Debangshu. Debangshu, number 8 and 9 are correct. Tuhin, can you send me number this one? 8 again, it's wrong. Udit, number 6 is wrong. Udit, can you read number 6 better? Shuok, number 6 is correct. Shuok, number 7 is correct. Tuhin, number 6 is correct. Shaptagro, number 7 is correct. Shaptagro, number 8 is... Just a second. Shaptagro, number 8 is correct. Tuhin, number 8 is again wrong, beta. Number 8 is wrong, Tuhin. What happened to Tuhin today? Tuhin, send me number 8 again. Shuok, number 8 is correct. Shaptagro, number 9 is correct. Shaptagro, can you divide? Okay. Yes, Shaptagro, number 10 is correct.
Please show the options of all the options of question number 10.
Wait, I am showing you. Udit, number 5 is correct. Shuok, number 9 is correct. Udit, send me number 6, 7, 8 and 9 better. Shuok, number 10 is wrong better. Shuok, read the question properly. Shuok, read number 10 properly better. Tuhin, number 8 is correct. Very good. Udit, have you understood number 6?
Ma'am, it is of 10 by mistake. I wrote it 11.
Okay. Yes,
Excuse-
Shuok, number 10 is correct. Udit, have you understood number 6? If you can't, then tell me better.
Yes, ma'am, I can understood.
You understood? Okay. Okay, Udit, I'm very sorry, but I could not send you the videos, but don't worry, I will send you the recording shortly, by today or by tomorrow. Actually, these days I was too busy. I didn't find even a single minute time. Tuhin, number 8 is correct. Tuhin, number 9 is correct. Shuok, number 10 is correct. Udit, better send me number 6 fast. Udit, can you read this sum? Udit, can you read number 6 better? Udit, unmute yourself and read number 6.
That is 6 to
Yes.
414. Option, my mama.
4 into 9 is how much?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Udit.
Number 10. Ma'am,
Shuok number 10 is correct. Tuhin number 10 is correct. Debangshu number 10 is correct. Udit, beta, can you tell me 6, 4 into 9 is equal to how much? Do you know the multiplication, Udit? Udit, are you there? Can you tell me 4 into 9 is how much?
ma'am,
Yes, tell me. 36. So, it is asking for the third multiple of the product of 4 into 9. So, 4 into 9 is 36. So, 36 into 3 is how much, Udit?
Ma'am, 154.
It's not 54. 36 into 3 is how much? 36 into 3 is how much? If you multiply 36 and 3, what is the answer coming?
108.
108. Very good, Udit. Thank you for your answer, beta. Okay, Udit, solve from number 7 and send me the answer very quickly.
Ma'am, please can you scroll down? Okay. 7 Kartik solved of different problem was Kartik solved the different problem. Which expression could be used to check his answer? Ma'am, please show it your options.
Abir, you can solve from number 7, beta. Abir, solve from number 7 and send me the answers in chat, Abir.
Okay, ma'am.
Udit, have you understood the sum number 7?
Ma'am, 7 I can't understand.
You can't understand? See, Kartik, okay, read the question first, then I'm explaining it to you. Read it, Udit.
Kartik solved the division problem as soon. Which expression could be used to check his answer?
Yes, so see, he has divided this number 454 and 3. So which expression among these expression, which is the correct expression to check his answer, that whether he is correct or not? So if he he has divided 1364 by 3 and the quotient is 454. The remainder is 2. So what he needs to do to check whether he is correct or not?
Okay, ma'am.
Have you understood what you need to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Do it and send me the answer in chat.
Ma'am, but I have sent it.
Yes, Abir, you are correct. Yes, tell me, Udit.
There are two options of plus 454 multiple 3 plus 2. Then there are two of 2 and 3 of 3.
Wait, first see, if he has divided 1364 by 3, the quotient is 454. So what he needs to do to find out whether 1364 is his answer? What will he do with 454 and 3? Will he multiply or will he divide?
Ma'am, he will multiply.
Very good. So see, 454 into 3, all the answers are given 454 into 3. Now comes the remainder. So what he needs to do with the remainder, 454 into 3, whatever the answers come, will he add the remainder, subtract the remainder, divide the remainder, or multiply the remainder with the product of 454 and 3?
Ma'am, he will ma'am, he will plus add
So which is the correct option?
A.
Abhi, send me number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 better. Whichever sums you can see, send me the answer in chat. Do the next sum. Udit, excellent. It's correct.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sure.
I cannot understand the number 11.
You cannot understand number 11. Wait. Okay, Shuk, do one thing. Read the sum better. Read the question.
Shubham bought 8 bags of blue balls and 6 bags of white balls. Each bag had 9 balls in it. Which expression could he use to find the total number of balls he bought?
Very good.
Ma'am,
Excellent.
ma'am, 1 second, I understood.
Super.
Good evening, ma'am.
Abhi, good evening, beta. Abhi, number 8 is correct. Swapnil, you can do from number 8 and send me the answers in chat. Udit, number 9 is correct. Abhi, number 9 is correct. Debangshu, number 12 is, just a second, I'm checking number 12. Abhi, number 8 is correct. Debangshu, number 11 is wrong. Debangshu, number 11 is wrong. Debangshu, have you understood number 11 sum better? Is it clear to you? Abhi, number 10 is wrong. Read the sum properly, then give me the answer. Tuhin, number 11 is correct. Yes, sorry, what is your name? I forgot. Yes, Debangshu. Debangshu, have you understood number 11 better?
No, ma'am.
Read the sum. Read it. I am explaining it to you. Shuok, number 11 is wrong. Read sum number 11.
Suham bought 8 bags of blue balls and 6 bags of white balls. Each bag 9 balls in it. Sir, ma'am, I don't understand. Ma'am, I can say you can check. Ma'am, I am correct now.
Shuok, you are wrong. Tuhin, you are correct. Debangshu, you are correct. Tuhin, number 11 is correct. Debangshu, number 11 is correct. Abid, number 10 is correct. Swapnil, number 8 is correct. Shuok, this answer is of which number, beta? D. Udit, number 10 is correct, beta.
11.
11. It's again wrong, beta. Shuok, see, how many bags did Shubham brought, beta? Can you tell
Ma'am,
me?
8. Ma'am, 8
Eight.
bags of blue balls and 6 bags of white balls.
If you need to find the total number of bags, what will you do?
Ma'am, first I will multiply 8 into 9 and after that I will multiply 6 into 9. So I will get 72 and 54. And
Wait.
after that, I will add that.
You are first doing 8 into 9. Then you are again doing 8 into...
No, ma'am, I am doing
6 into 9. Right, this is what you are trying to do.
Ma'am, number 9 is correct. I am Swapnil.
Wait, I am checking. Swapnil, number 8 is correct.
Ma'am,
Udit,
number 9.
Udit, number 10 is correct. Wait, Swapnil, you do all the sums, I will check. Yes, tell me, Shuok, 6 into 9 is 54. Very good. Now see, there is a shortcut. Here 9 is there for both the numbers. What we can do, since we just need to find the expressions, we can bring 9 out. Then we can add 8 plus 6. Both the answer will come same. 6 into 8 is how much, Shok?
Ma'am, 48.
48. 48 into 9 is?
1 second. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please, can you scroll down?
Yes, I can do so.
Ma'am, 432.
432. And if you add 54 and 72, what is the answer coming?
126.
Then somewhere you have made a mistake, beta. No, I made a mistake. 6 plus 8 is equal to how much?
Ma'am, 6 plus 8.
Yes.
Ma'am, 14.
14. 14 into 9 is?
Hmm?
14 into 9 is how much?
Ma'am, 126.
126. So both the answers are equal, this one and this one.
Yes, ma'am.
So which is the correct expression? In 11, tell me, Udit.
Ma'am, I'm sure.
Sorry, Shok. Yes. Shok, tell me. Udit, number 10 is correct. Shok, tell me which is the correct option. Yes.
11 is correct.
No, I am asking Shok which is the correct option of number 11. Swapnil, number 9 is correct.
The answer is D of 11.
Udit, number 11 is wrong. Shuo, can you tell me what is your answer? Shoptaglo, number 12 is?
Ma'am,
Correct.
option number C.
Both Shoptaglo and Debangshu, number 12 is correct. Yes, tell me Shuok again.
Ma'am, option number C.
Option number C. Very good. Okay, Udit, have you understood this one, number 11, beta?
Yes, ma'am, send it. When it is wrong, now it is correct.
Okay, I'm checking. Swapnil, number 8 is correct, beta.
Ma'am, please can you explain number 13?
What is your name? Udit, number 11 is correct.
Saptargo. Ma'am,
Yes.
Saptargo.
Shoptagu, can you read number 13? Swapnil,
Yes,
number
ma'am.
10 is correct.
If 5 square equals to 125 and square minus 4 into star equals to star, then the value of star plus square.
Excellent. Very good, Shaptagru. Abhi, number 11 is correct. So what we need to...
number 11 is correct.
Swapnil, number 10 is correct. I didn't got your number 11, beta. Good evening, Amoto.
Ma'am,
You can solve from number 9. Yes.
Ma'am, I sent.
Yes,
chat, I
11
sent.
is correct. Udit and Swapnil, 11 is correct. Okay, see, Shaptagru, here what we need to do. Here we can see this one. 5 squares is equal to 125. So 1 square is equal to how much? Shaptagru, what will you do?
Ma'am, 5 divided by 125 equals to 25. 25.
25. So 2 squares is equal to how much?
50.
50. So you got the answer of 1 square. 1 square is equal to how much?
Yes, ma'am.
1 square is equal to how much?
25.
25. 25. Now you can bring the 4 on the right hand side. So if you can bring 4 star on the right hand side, what will the sign become? Will it be minus or plus?
Plus.
Very good. So what will this become?
Ma'am,
4 star plus 1 star is equal to how much, Shaptagru?
ma'am,
Tell me 4 star plus 1 star is equal to how much? Four plus 1 is
ma'am, 4. What do you say?
4 plus 1 is equal to how much? 4 plus 1 is equal to how much? 5. Very good. Now divide. Now if you bring 5 from right hand side to left hand side, what will the sign become? On the right hand side?
Minus.
No, on the right hand side the sign is multiplication.
Ma'am, I cannot listen.
This is star
Yes, ma'am.
into 5. So if you bring this 5 from the right hand side to left hand side, what will the sign become?
Division.
Very good. So do it.
Ma'am, I have sent you number 9.
Wait,
Ma'am, I have sent you number 9.
wait, I have seen. I will check. Now divide 25 and 5, beta. Shaptagru, what is the answer coming?
Ma'am, 5.
Very good. So the star is equal to 5. So 5, 1 star is equal to 5. So 2 star, what will be the value?
10.
10. So 10 plus 50 is equal to how much?
Ma'am, 60. So the answer will be...
Very good. Excellent, Shaptagru. Have you understood the sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Amatu, number 9 is correct. Udit, number 13 is wrong.
Ma'am, I have sent it D.
But you have sent it here C, beta. C is wrong. Shuok,
Wrong.
number 12 is wrong. Can you...
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, number 12 is correct.
No, number 12 is wrong. Swapnil, Shuok, all of you are wrong, beta. Udit, number 13 is correct.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
common factor means HCF.
Common factor means when you can divide the number exactly by another number without having any remainder, that is called a common number. For example,
Yes.
if you can
Ma'am,
divide...
common factor means HCF.
No,
Yes.
not HCF. I told you. Tuhin number 12 is
LCM.
wrong. No, it's neither HCF nor LCM. A number with which you can divide another number exactly without having any remainder or the remainder is 0, that is called a common factor. For example, 2 is a common factor of 4 because 4 can be divided exactly by 2 without having any remainder or the remainder will be 0. Is it clear? Omoto, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Great, do it. Shoptil number 12 is wrong. Tuhin number 12 is wrong. Udit number 13 is correct. Can you read number 12, Shopnil? It's very simple. The price of 18 tickets are given. You have to find the price of 1 ticket. So what you need to do, Shopnil, tell me? Tuhin is wrong. Yes, number 12.
I can't understand. There will be a company paying 8